Hello beautiful people, in this video I will show you my HacktoberFest 2020 swags, and I have a very special announcement for you all. That before unboxing I would like to share the news with you all that I have started a community called HacktoberWoman community with the aim of helping 10,000 people in this year, and we have already a lots of people joining us. And if you like to join us, all the links will be in the description box, so you can join our Discord, our GitHub community. And the first event has already begun, that is Blogging Ninja, in which you have to write a technical blog if you have never wrote one. So don't worry, that's why this event is for you, because we want to encourage all to begin your technical blog journey. So what are you waiting for? Just register for the event. All the links will be in the description box and all the details will be in the description box. So I would love to have you all participating in that event, and I'm hoping that you will surprise me with all the blogs that you will write. And make sure to tag us. All the social handles of the community are in the description box. So yeah, that's it. That's the announcement. Thank you note for all the people who is helping me, and I won't prefer so we will do this and we will surely help 10,000 people. So thank you each and every person who is doing such a wonderful job. I didn't really think that one people would join me, but yes, there are lots of people now. So thank you so much all. So let's start the unboxing now. Why we do unboxing? You all have seen all the HacktoberFest swags on your social media, but as a YouTuber, I have to make this video because many people are not yet aware of HacktoberFest events. So after seeing those swags, they might get interested and do open source contributions. So let's start. Okay, so this is the HacktoberFest 2020 t-shirt, and I would just say this is my first HacktoberFest tee, so it's pretty awesome, and yes, it's just perfect. And I will show you the swags and stickers now. So this is the HacktoberFest logo sticker. Next is MetaMost sticker. Next is Circle CI. Then the Vonage DigitalOcean logo sticker, and we have a kind of message from Dave community, and this is from one API. And here we can see that Intel, and did you know that Intel is among the top 10 contributors to open source software? So if you didn't, then this is for you. Next is, again we have another sticker from Vonage, and this is really my favorite. This is really simple and class. It's just class. It's awesome, and I really like this one. So try Dave.write code, catch error and everything. And this is from JetBrains, open source. So, and of course this is I'm shooting right now, so this is really for me. And from Intel, a badge for HacktoberFest. And finally we have Cockroach DB. So these were all of the swags, and if you really want one, do participate in these events. Open source has really great opportunities for you. And if you haven't seen the video with Eddie, so you must watch that. All of the open source opportunities we have already discussed, So I hope you like the swags, and if you want to get all those swags, you just have to participate in those events like HacktoberFest, or participate in hackathons like MLH. The local hack day has just ended, and I participated in that, and I would love to share all the things that I have learned in local hack day. So if you are interested, then let me know. I will make the video for local hack day too. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and may the source be with you.